sinubukang tapusin ang hamong ito.
Either the camp or dating housemates. Hala! Lahat sabi ko na nga ba eh.
Woo, guys! Good to see you again, man!
Masaya kasi bumalik ang mga iniyakan. Diyos ko, ibalik yung isang balding luha.
Their face.
Sorry.
Hindi mo na ako dapat hanapin. Bro.
Pamiyasang.
Right when I seen Lou, she was like this with her jacket, and she had her long sleeve red shirt on. I felt sobrang happy to see her again.
Nakita ko po si Andre. Siya po kasi yung unang-una na. From there to there, kuya. I'm so happy.